Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix Binance verification failed. So if your Binance verification fails and you're wondering how to fix it, we're just going to go ahead and follow up the steps in order to do so. You can start by opening up your Binance application. For that, just go ahead and tap on it in order to open it up. And then once you open it up, you can log it into your account if you're not logged in, and you should be finding this particular interface on your screen. So from here, what you can do is you can just go over and look out for the three menu bar in the top left corner of your screen and tap on it. After you tap on it, the space opens up right now on your screen with your user ID and different other shortcut available. So you can just go over and look out for those, and you can just go ahead and tap on your username or your user ID. So just go ahead and tap on it. After you tap on it, this space opens up like this. So what you need to do is within your Binance ID registration info, etc., you should be finding other options such as verification, security, Twitter, etc. So the first thing you can do is you can just go over and start verifying yourself. You can tap on this option called verifications and tap on it. After you tap on it, you can start verifying yourself. So you can just go over and select the country from which you are issuing it. You can just go ahead and provide in all of the correct and clear documents, because if you provide incorrect or unclear documents, the document you have uploaded, if it has any kind of expiration date, if it has passed those kind of details, or there is any kind of mismatching details, your document won't be verified. So just go ahead and provide up the correct photos and clear pictures, etc. Also with face verification and everything, just go ahead and provide in clear information. And once you do so, the verification should be completed. This is usually how you fix your verification. But if not this, sometimes it may be a network issue. So go to settings for that and tap on it. After you tap on settings, you may just go over and go to Wi-Fi connections, tap on connections, and go over and look out for the Wi-Fi or the mobile data that you're using. And if you're just using unstable one, you can just go ahead and use a stable one, and that will fix the issue for you. And that's it. And apart from that, you can also try updating the application. Sometimes not updating the application can cause us such issues. So you can go to Play Store for that. And from there, go over to the search in the bottom right corner and tap on it. Once you tap on it, go to the top, and there just go ahead and search for Binance. After you find Binance, you can just go over and install the latest version of Binance available and try uploading the documents like we did earlier. And that's it. So therefore, these are some of the methods available if you want to go ahead and fix the Binance verification being failed. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.